Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a static IP, gateway, and DNS forwarders. This prevents cache leakage and split brain. Once those are set, install the DNS server package, bind 9 on Debian/Ubuntu, named on CentOS/rel, and enable the service. Make sure to open port 53 for both TCP and UDP in your firewall, otherwise queries will be blocked. After installation, check the binary and service status so you know the server is ready for configuration. Next, edit the main config to declare forward and reverse zones and place SOA, NS, A, and PTR records in respective files. This maps names to addresses and back. Configure global options. Set the working directory, control recursion, define allow query ACLs, add forwarders, and specify listen-on addresses. Validate every change using namecheckconf and namecheckzone. These catch syntax and serial mistakes. Once valid, reload or restart the daemon to apply changes and prepare for testing. Finally, verify operation. Use dig and ens lookup to query your server for both A and PTR records and check response times. Enable query logging briefly to capture misconfigurations, then inspect logs for serve fail, refused, or nodeauth errors. If something goes wrong, make sure zone serial numbers increment, ACLs permit your clients, the firewall allows port 53, and the DNS service is active. If recursive lookups fail, confirm forwarders and upstream reachability before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.